Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the EatSmart Precision Tracker Digital Bathroom Scale. This is what you get. You get the scale, you get a really good user guide, and the scale also includes 4 AAA batteries, which is what powers it. Now, the batteries go in on the bottom down here. Really easy to put those in. The only other thing you really need to concern yourself with on the bottom of the scale is the unit button. So once the scale is on, you can switch between kilograms or pounds simply by pressing the unit button there. Now, by default, this is going to measure in pounds. Now, the scale has a tempered glass top. I really like this. I have had some other bathroom scales that the feet were inset quite a bit. So if you actually stepped on the edge of the scale could actually kind of tip over. And this also has rounded edges, which I think is really important because usually in the bathroom, if you're in your bare feet, you don't have to worry about hitting the edge of a sharp tempered glass edge, which has happened to me with some other scales that I've had. So on the top of the scale, there's these 3 buttons here that you see. When you first get on the scale, you're instructed to just get on it, get right off it, just to turn it on. This will self-calibrate. It has to compensate for the weight of the tempered glass top. So it's basically an automatic tare function. So it'll zero itself out, and then the next time you step on it, it's going to be at 0, just ready to measure your weight. So what's really cool about this scale, though, is it has the ability to measure and remember 8 different people. The way it remembers 8 different people is it assumes that everyone is going to be different weights, and if your weight is different by more than like 6 pounds, something like that, it will assume you are the other user. So if there are conflicts, like if there are several people that are about the same weight, then what you do is you get an indication on here and you use the arrow button to select the user. So the very first time you use this, you push the set button, and this is how you can determine what user you are going to be. So right now I'm the only person using the scale. I'm user 1. When I step on here to measure my weight, it's going to remember that weight, and then the very next time I get on that scale, it's going to display my previous weight underneath there. And then from the 3rd time on, it's going to show another display. This display is going to show another number, and I'll just get on here to show you really quickly. I'm going to get on upside down here so you can see it. So it shows my previous weight down below, and it will actually cycle to a different screen to show the difference in weight. And then that screen, the next screen here, shows what my total weight loss or total gain is compared to the very first time I got on the scale. So it's very cool how it remembers all that, and it's very accurate. I've compared it to another digital scale that I have, and it weighs exactly the same. Very important, though, with this scale that you put it on a hard surface. You can't weigh yourself on a rug or a soft linoleum floor, or even some manufactured wood floors might not be firm enough. So if you're getting inconsistent readings, it's probably because it's not on a hard enough surface. So I really like the scale. It's backlit. It's really easy to see. The display is nice and large, and it seems to be very accurate, and I really do think it's great. I love the weight tracking ability, and I really like the fact that at a glance I can just see how much I've gained or lost over time. Really nice scale. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
One of my favorite things about the EatSmart digital tracking scale is the fact that it does track your weight. So it's really easy to use. All you do is step up on there and your weight comes right up. My phone must weigh 0.2 because I'm weighing 0.2 pounds more than I did just a few seconds ago. But it flashes up with your weight change, your total weight change over the time you've had the scale, and your current weight. And it holds more users than just one, so it's really easy for me to be able to track Sophia's weight My husband can do his as well, and it's super easy to use.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.